Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have the weekend deal. The weekend deal is here, and it's one of our top, if not our most favorite weekend deal that there is. It's the free bucket weekend. You've probably seen them piling up buckets at your store. And so let's go ahead and read the fine print. These haven't changed, but let's see, maybe they're throwing us a curveball. We have free bucket with $29.99 purchase super coupon. So this is going to be for anybody who has this coupon. If you look at the picture, it's filled with tools, so just be careful. Tools and lid sold separately. The lid is a very important one. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Receive a free bucket with minimum single purchase of $29.99 excluding taxes and after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, gift cards, and prior purchases. Void if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, and where prohibited. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last. 7/11 through 7/13. That is our weekend deal. But let's just take a look at the free ITC bucket. You could have 10%. It was 20% off today. Hopefully you got out there. If you did get out there, what did you get? Free bucket for Inside Track Club members with any purchase. Double asterisk. Same thing. Tools and lids sold separately. Limit 1 per customer per day. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Valid in store for existing and new members. Receive a free bucket with any single purchase. And this is how we're gonna guide you. Let me tell you, if you're new to the channel, if you're not new, let me know what you're gonna buy to get your free bucket. Or if you're gonna go in and make a $30 purchase, we'll try to see what's the best $30 purchase. It's getting a little bit pricey, especially with some deals, but maybe there's some good super coupons out there. We'll look at them briefly, but let's first look at the recommended deals. The 69-cent pencil. Now you might find something that's better priced, that's lower priced, but it will not be more nicely priced than the 69-cent pencil. The 7-inch aptly measured carpenter's pencil, 69 cents, C.H. Hansen, octagonal carpenter's pencil that won't roll. Great purchase to make to get your free bucket. Can't go wrong there. Or classic, if you feel your bucket needs a lid, very careful. You might think that the lid will come with it. It doesn't. So here's the Harbor Freight 5-gallon bucket lid, red, $2.99. I'm glad they put 2 different pictures, one of the top and one of the bottom. $3 for the lid, and you walk away with an entire bucket set. Great choices for your free tool. Or some of the best ones to go with is the dollar days. Now we've reviewed the dollar days. These are ending the 16th. You could get the clog resistant job site permanent markers 2-pack, which a few people described to me how good they are and what being clog resistant means. So great choice there. You could get the 4-inch magnetic parts holders. Can't have too many of those. The 25-foot by 1-inch lifetime warranty $2 tape measurer is crazy. The $3 65-pound magnetic hooks, the $5 Gordon utility knife, the $5 pen light, the magnetic pocket light for $6, an $8 pick set. Definitely a lot of good choices if you're looking for a good bang for the buck item. Now, if you're trying to get the super coupon, we can peruse through some of these super coupons. We need to get to that $29 value. You can definitely include some of the dollar days, or you can get the Icon 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight super coupon. These aren't combinable with anything or stackable, so $47.99 is a decent price to get this at, and you qualify for the free bucket. Plus you'd also get yourself a nice light. If you do the Quinn 3/8-inch drive 5.9 to 59 foot-pound digital torque adapter, $27.99. You're going to be a couple bucks short, but you can combine this because it's a great tool with one of the dollar day coupons, or even with this SAE metric star folding hex key set, 3-piece from Pittsburgh. Again, lifetime warranty. That'll get you over the $29 threshold, and you're getting 2 nice tools that are excellent. Or this Quinn, also lifetime warranty, 1/2-inch drive, impact deep socket set. It's 10-piece, your choice of either SAE or metric. This is exactly there. Let's actually, what was the fine print? You might need, I think it's $29.99. So this is exactly there. And then you would walk away with a excellent impact deep socket set, and you would walk away with your bucket. Definitely a steal of the deal with the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty jack stand, ratcheting jack stands for $60. Now you're going well over the $30 threshold of $29.99, but this is a great deal as a super coupon. You can't go wrong with getting this on its own, but you'd also get a free bucket, which again is an excellent deal. Don't forget, maybe you're going in for the 20% off of all Maddox products, maybe the 25% off of any of the single hose reels, or 20% off any single Black Widow product still going on. But those are some great options. Or if you want to look at some of the new tools, no discount, but we have the Pittsburgh 6-inch double-edged wall board saw for $5.99. Not too bad. Combine that with a free bucket. And I think we will leave it at that, unless you're going in for some of these Icon stubbies. 22% off, 25% off. Excellent deals there. But you're well over the $30 price range for super coupons. Obviously, if you're ITC, you only need to buy one of the smallest things. But what will you get? What are you considering? You have to get your free bucket. You gotta start your bucket army, your buckets of choice. Maybe you need some casters. The excellent deals on the Ultra Plush edgeless microfiber towels, 12-pack, $7, 30% off. Excellent deal. That reminds me of this decent deal on this 400-pound Icon capacity creeper, 43 inches, professional creeper. Can't go wrong there. And I'll stop digging. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Maybe accidentally become a member like my one member who I have. Link is in the description. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.